take a look at Daniel Bryan. You look at Daniel Bryan, when I first saw that guy, I said, there's no way in the world this kid's going to make it. Not a chance. But there's a guy who had the work ethic, the drive, the desire to become a wrestler, and he made it work. So I tell the young guys, chase your dreams. Remember, the odds are going to be against you, but chase your dreams, because every once in a while you get a hold of that brass ring, like Daniel Bryan.
What do you think of the career-ending neck injury of Daniel Bryan that he had recently?
Well, that's what we were talking about earlier. A lot of high-risk moves, high-danger moves. Guys are being reckless with each other, reckless with their own bodies. And, you know, injuries were a problem in my day. I've had 10 overall surgeries. I mean, it's a physical business. People are going to get hurt. But, I mean, you know, in our day, you'd save that big high-fly, triple-dipple move for WrestleMania or for, you know, a pay-per-view. Now, every night's a TV show, so every night those guys are, you know, stretching the limit as far as they can go. So injuries are going to be a problem.